Disaster recovery concepts. Exercise 1. Exercise 1, load balancing. Load balancing supports high availability by distributing network traffic across multiple back-end servers, preventing individual node overload and optimizing resource utilization. This ensures that no single server becomes a failure point, increasing system reliability and fault tolerance. The learning outcomes: install IIS server and load balancing feature, configure load balancing cluster, validate load balancing configuration, review load balancer logs. Task 1. Install IIS server and load balancing features. Internet Information Services, or IIS, is the default Microsoft Web Server software. The load balancing feature of an IIS enables the distribution of incoming web requests across multiple servers, optimizing performance, enhancing fault tolerance, and ensuring high availability for web application. In this task, you will install the Microsoft IIS server and load balancing feature on ACID C01 and ACID M01. Connect to ACID C01. We're going to connect ACID C01. Show natin to. On the server manager, select dashboard windows. Loading pa. Dashboard, and then add roles and features. Okay. Next row. Next. Next row. Web server. In roles. Ito, web server. Check natin to. And then next natin, network balancing, network load balancing. Add features natin to. Tapos next ulit natin. Network load balancing features allows the distribution of incoming network traffic across multiple back-end servers to enhance fault tolerance, scalability, and ensure high availability. Next lang ulit. Install. Installation may take 3 to 6 minutes to complete. Next, the exact same things process will be followed in ACID 01 M. Refresh na natin to. Add roles. add roles, tapos next, 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 web ISS, tapos nabangan natin dun network load balancing, add natin to, next tayo ulit, next, 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 install. To ACID C01, close na raw natin, nasa ACID C01 na tayo. Select File Explorer, local disk, tapos tawag doon inetpub, tapos www.root, right click raw, open with, click OK, select A, gusto nyo A, one nine two 192.168.0.1. Select the floppy disk, na-save ko na, close the paint, close the File Explorer, proceed to ACID 01, close na natin to, tapos task 2, configure load balancing cluster. Load balancing cluster is a group of interconnected server or resources that work together to efficiently distribute incoming network traffic. Load balancing cluster enhance system reliability, fault tolerance, and scalability, enabling organizations to deliver responsive and uninterrupted service to users. In this task, you will configure an active load balancing cluster with ACID with the two web servers. ACID C01, tapos on the tools, kasi yung tools, tools menu, ito pala yung tools, network load balancing manager, new cluster, 168.0.1. Tapos connect, then select next, the priority of this host is to set to 1, which indicates that the load will be proportionally distributed to this host. And select add, IP address 192.168.0.99. Tapos yung subnet mask natin 255. Naka-preset na. Tapos okay na natin to. This IP address and subnet mask are virtual IP addresses that the cluster will respond to. Then select next natin to. And then select the radio, multicast, and then select next, and select edit, from 80 to 80. Tapos edit to TCP. And then the load balancer should only respond to HTTP request. Okay. Okay raw natin sa step 15. Select finish. Next, the second host ACID01 will be added to the cluster. In the network load balancing manager window, select the right on right click refresh. Sana bumalik ka, huwag kang magloloko. Add host to cluster. Host natin ay 192.168.0.2, and then click connect. In the add host cluster, ensure that the inner selected, select natin, tapos then click next. Since more than one adapter exists on ACID M01, the correct adapter internet must be selected. Next na natin to. Notice the priority assigned to this host is 2. Ito nga, oo. Ito nga. Finish natin to. Ayan, no. Pagka natin ng finish, in the host configuration information for host in cluster, observe the status of ACID M01 from pending to converge. Na-converge natin yung ACID Win 11, connect tayo sa ACID Win. Task 3, validate load balancing configuration. To validate load balancers, failover test may be used to verify seamless backup servers, transition in the event of primary node failure, ensuring the load balancer's reliability and fault tolerance. In this task, you will conduct a failover test of the load balancer configuration. Select natin Microsoft Edge. Pasok tayo 192.168.0.099. Low. Ayun yung pinasok natin, oh. Ito. Ano? Ito yung in-edit natin kanina. Ayun, oh. Close the Microsoft Edge. ACID C01. Puro tayo ACID C01. Pagpapasok ko control host. Control host and then stop. Oo nga, nag-red. Win 11, pasok tayo sa Microsoft Edge, tapos search ulit natin yung 192.168.0.99. Yun, nawala yung in-edit natin, oh. Kasi nag-stop na tayo. Okay. Yun pala yun. Task 4, review load balancer log. Load balancer log capture detailed information about incoming request, server health, and distribution patterns, aiding in performance analysis, troubleshooting, and security monitoring. In this task, you will review ACID M01 load balancer log. ACID M01, and then taskbar, select File Explorer. Low. Refresh. Nagloko siya. Wait lang, guys. Select File Explorer. Local disk, netpub, logs, log files, double click the text document. Observe the log that indicates request of ACID M01 web server was received from 192.168. Okay. Tingnan natin to. Ayan, o. Ayun, o. Ito guys. Ayan, nakita nyo yan. Ito yun. Ganun pala mag-double check. Next natin to. Tapos na tayo, guys. Well done. You have completed disaster recovery concept practice lab. Throughout this module, you navigated the intricacies of safeguarding critical system and data against disruptive incidents, like natural disasters, cyber attacks, or hardware failures. Emphasizing high availability, you honed your skill in minimizing downtime through load balancing by installing the Microsoft IIS server role, incorporating the network load balancing features, configuring a load balancing cluster, and validating load balancing configuration. So tayo guys.